The Alabama Hills are just about a 4-hour drive from Las Vegas, Nevada. The people who come to the Alabama Hills love to do photography, rock climbing, explore the natural arches, and look at all the wildflowers. They like to also do some horseback riding and mountain biking. Those are just a few of the popular activities that people do in this area. Primitive camping is also available in certain areas of the Alabama Hills, and you can even have campfires with a campfire permit that you would pick up in Lone Pine, California. Alabama Hills are also a popular filming destination. The Gene Autry Show, The Lone Ranger, Bonanza, those are a few of the classics. Also, Star Trek and the most recent Iron Man from 2008. If you are into astronomy, then this is a great place to go and look at the sky. If the moon is not a full moon, it's best on a new moon, because there is zero light pollution out here in the Alabama Hills. Fun fact, the Alabama Hills were named after the CSS Alabama, a Confederate warship deployed during the American Civil War. When the news of the ship's exploits reached the prospectors in California, sympathetic to the Confederates, they named many mining claims after the ship, and the name came to be applied to the entire range. When the Alabama was finally sunk off the coast of Normandy by the USS Kearsarge in 1864, prospectors sympathetic to the North named a mining district, a mountain pass, a mountain peak, and a town after the Kearsarge. Mount Whitney, the tallest mountain in the contiguous United States, towers several thousand feet above this low range. However, gravity surveys indicate that the Owens Valley is filled with about 10,000 feet of sediment, and that the Alabamas are the tip of a very steep escarpment. The particular rock that you see around the Alabama Hills are potato-shaped rocks named biotite Monzo granite. I suggest taking the time to visit the Alabama Hills. Any type of car can make it out here, and you will definitely have a great time. A good time to visit the Alabama Hills is during the fall time when it is not so hot outside. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share with friends, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment, and I will be sure and get back to you. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.